This is a problem on a Corsa D where been having water pooling up around the top of the spark plugs underneath this cover and causing a misfire. Couldn't work out where it was coming from. Wasn't coolant, looked like it was rainwater. Didn't have any reason to think that it was coming from anywhere else. So I've taken it apart, and underneath the scuttle panel you've got this little piece here that holds this trim up. It's snapped. It's causing water to come straight through here in heavy rain, mostly going over the top of the inlet, but some of it is going over the top of here and soaking underneath and getting in there and causing a misfire. So if you have this trouble, you can either replace this panel complete with that bit not broken up, or do a repair on it, which is what I'm going to do now. So if you have trouble with Ecotech engines with water sitting in top of the spark plugs, look there.